This video will show you how to change your engine oil filter and engine oil on a Subaru Outback. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll mention is you want to make sure you have a brand new engine oil filter and 5 quarts of 020 oil. Under the hood, we're looking for the engine oil cap. Go ahead and dislodge that. Just give it a quick inspection and we're going to set it aside. Now we can see our engine oil filter right up along the top of the engine. We might as well remove this while we're here. When you do dislodge it, it will have oil in it. That oil should get caught in this area. We'll collect and recycle that oil as needed. I'm using a small oil filter wrench. We'll turn this counterclockwise to dislodge it. Now as you can see, I didn't have very much oil here, but I'm still going to clean this and give it a thorough inspection, confirming there's no debris or pre-existing gasket. We have our brand new filter and our clean 020 oil. We're going to take a little bit of this, put it on the oil filter. I'm going to take a glove finger and spread it around the seal. Now we can get this in position. We'll bottom that out by hand, and then we'll continue snugging it with our small oil filter wrench. We don't need to go very far, just an 1/8 of a turn should do. Double check to make sure that's secured. Now we'll pause in the engine compartment and make our way safely under the front of the vehicle. Now we're under the vehicle, and there's obviously a very large splash shield. We're looking for this port. Inside of here, we can see our engine oil pan and our drain plug. I have a collection receptacle under here and I'm using a 17mm for my drain plug. We'll turn that counterclockwise to remove it. Now obviously since we're up in this port, it may make a mess. While that's draining, you want to make sure you clean and inspect your drain plug gasket. It's common for people to replace their drain plug gasket, especially if it's damaged in any way. This one looks fine, so we'll continue on. Once you feel as though your engine oil is drained to your liking, we'll continue on with the installation of that drain plug. Start it in by hand and snug it up. Now we're going to torque that to 33 foot-pounds, clean our mess, and make our way out from under the vehicle. We're going to use a funnel so we can direct our engine oil directly into the engine. 5 quarts, 0W20. Got our last quart going in here. This is a total of 5. We'll reinstall our engine oil cap. We finished adding engine oil. The next thing you have to do is start up the vehicle. You're going to let it run for approximately 5 to 10 seconds and turn it off. Obviously we want to check for leaks, but we also need to check our engine oil level. To check the engine oil level, the engine's off, we're on a flat level surface, we're going to remove that engine oil dipstick. Go ahead and give it a quick wipe, and then we're going to have a peek down at the end here. Now you can see approximately where my thumb is, we have 2 small dots. That's the area that we want the engine oil to be at, preferably up closest to this upper dot here. We never want to be above it. If that's the case, you need to drain some out. If for some reason you're low, you definitely want to add some. With that said, let's go ahead and check that engine oil level. Now looking at this, I can tell that my engine oil level is perfect. As I mentioned, if you're too high, you need to drain some out. You added too much. Otherwise, go ahead and wipe off that dipstick and reinstall it. Okay friend, we finished our engine oil change, but now the next thing we need to do is make our way into the passenger compartment so we can reset the engine oil life monitor. Let's get started on resetting our engine oil life monitor. We have the key in the on position and we're going to be dealing with the infotainment center. We're pressing the home button so we're on the home screen. let's press the Info button. Next, we're pressing the Maintenance button. After you've done that, you can see all the different areas that you're going to want to look at and select as needed. We changed our engine oil and filter, so I'm checking the engine oil first. We're going to reset this. You can set it to whatever distance you'd like. We're going 6,000 miles. I use synthetic oil. Do you want to update this? Yes. Let's hit OK. You can tell it's reset. We did the oil filter as well. Same process, 6,000 miles. We like that. As you can tell, we've reset our monitors. Obviously, if you've done anything else, you can reset that as well. Okay, friend, we finished our job. The next thing we'll do is just press back onto the home screen here and take the vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.